Ever pondered over those nagging eye problems that seem to pop up out of nowhere? How about the quest for a simple yet effective solution that's just within arm's reach? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's toothpaste. Yes, you heard it right. The humble toothpaste sitting in your bathroom can be a quick remedy for your eye discomforts. Now, the thought of using toothpaste for eye problems might sound a bit peculiar, but toothpaste, specifically the non-gel kind, has a unique blend of ingredients that can help alleviate discomfort and even minor infections. But how does one use toothpaste for such a delicate area as the eyes? Well, let's dive into it. First and foremost, ensure the toothpaste is a non-gel, plain white variety. Fancy gels and colorful stripes might look appealing, but they often contain ingredients that could cause further irritation. Stick to the basics. Step 1. Wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Hygiene is paramount when dealing with eye issues. Step 2. Squeeze out a small amount of toothpaste onto your fingertip. We're talking about a tiny dot, not a toothbrush's worth. Step 3. Gently apply this dot of toothpaste to the skin directly under your eye. Be careful to avoid the eye itself, as toothpaste should never come into direct contact with your eye. Step 4. Leave the toothpaste to dry overnight. It might feel a little odd, but the ingredients in the toothpaste will work to reduce inflammation and discomfort while you sleep. Upon waking, wash off the dried toothpaste with warm water and pat dry. You'll likely notice a reduction in discomfort and inflammation. Repeat this process for a few nights, and you should see a marked improvement. Remember, this remedy is for minor eye discomforts and infections. Always consult a medical professional if symptoms persist or worsen. To sum up, the humble toothpaste, a staple in all our homes, can be a quick fix for minor eye discomforts and infections. A small dot applied to the skin under the eye before bed can reduce inflammation and discomfort, making your mornings a little brighter. Isn't it fascinating that such a common household item can have such unexpected uses? Until next time, keep exploring the wonders that lie within your reach.